How to put recipes on Myfitnesspal. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, go ahead and install your Myfitnesspal application if you do not have one. You will have to log in or sign up to Myfitnesspal. You will see an interface like this. To put your recipes on your application, tap on the section of the search bar. In here, tap on My Recipe. You can create, discover, and import recipes. To create your own, tap on Create a Recipe option given to you. Enter the recipe name. For an example, I'm preparing egg roll. Add a serving, then tap on Next. Now it's time to add ingredients. Search for the ingredient, then tap on the tick mark icon at the top. Tap on the plus sign icon to add another ingredient and select from the suggestions given to you. Once it is done, tap on the tick mark once again, then tap on Next or tap on the plus sign icon if you want to add more. To remove any of the ingredient, tap on this box, then tap on the delete icon at the top. You will get the nutrient value by tapping on the drop down icon. Once you are done, now it's time to save your recipe. Tap on Save. Now wait until your recipe is saved, and mind it will take a while. Now it will let you know the total calorie depending on the serving. Isn't it simple? And that is exactly how you can put your recipe on your application. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.